How to get into Harvard? Let's be real. Realistically and statistically speaking, odds are you don't. But here's the thing. Every single year, a few students do make it, and I'm going to break down exactly what it takes to be one of them. I know because I've been there myself. I got into Harvard, I've helped students who've gotten into Harvard, and I've spent years studying real admission files and had countless conversations with current Harvard students about what it actually takes. So if you're dreaming of that crimson hoodie, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through Harvard's acceptance rates and requirements, what Harvard is really looking for in applicants, no fluff checklist for maximizing your chances, and actionable steps you can start taking right now. So let's get into it. First, the numbers. Harvard's acceptance rate is 3.6%. That means out of 100 students who apply, 96 get rejected. And these aren't students who slacked off. Most of them are exceptional with amazing grades and resumes. When I applied, I knew I wasn't competing against bad students. I was competing against some of the best in the world. And many of those incredible people still didn't make it in. That's why you can't just be smart. You need to be strategic. Harvard isn't just looking for perfect students. Let's look at Harvard's own words. Straight from their admissions office, while academic accomplishment is important, the admissions committee considers many other factors: strong personal qualities, special talents, perspectives shaped by unusual personal circumstances, and the ability to take advantage of available resources and opportunities. So yes, grades matter, test scores matter, but Harvard also cares deeply about your story. They want originality, resilience, leadership, and authenticity. According to Harvard's common data set, these are the factors they consider: rigor of your high school courses, GPA, standardized test scores, application essays, recommendations, interview, extracurricular activities, talent and ability, personal character, first-generation status, alumni relation, geographical residence, volunteer and work experience. In other words, they look at everything except class rank or demonstrated interest. On paper, the average admitted Harvard student has a GPA around 4.2, an SAT score of 1,550, and an ACT score of 35. Academically, Harvard is rooted in the liberal arts and sciences. Students are expected to think critically, reason analytically, write clearly, and connect what they learn to the real world. Every student takes general education courses where they wrestle with questions around climate change, racism, artificial intelligence, and more. If that excites you, you're in the right place. Of course, Harvard isn't just looking for straight-A students. They're looking for future leaders, innovators, and change makers. So the real differentiator? Extracurricular impact. Harvard wants trailblazers, the kind of students who build something bigger than themselves. And it's not about joining 20 different clubs. It's about showing depth, impact, and leadership. Ask yourself, am I making a real difference in my school or community? Am I stepping up as a leader? Am I pursuing something I genuinely care about, not just resume padding? That's what Harvard admissions officers are scanning for. Now, here's a blunt, practical checklist, the version that works for most students. Start building your application early. Great applications aren't rushed, they're built. Begin shaping your narrative as early as 9th grade, and start drafting essays the summer before senior year. Crush the SAT or ACT. Aim for 1,550 SAT or 35 ACT, get nearly perfect grades, take the hardest courses in math, English, science, social studies, plus 4 years of foreign language. Go deep on 1 or 2 activities, pick what you love, commit consistently, and show growth and leadership. Build capstone projects research, a startup, or a community initiative, something that shows impact and initiative. Use your summers strategically. Work, research, or build passion projects that matter. Pursue music or sports seriously. Compete, win awards. State-level recognition or recruitable talent can be a big advantage. Apply restrictive early action. It signals commitment and slightly improves your odds. Secure strong recommendations. Teachers who know your character and growth can advocate for you powerfully. Write unforgettable essays. This is where you show who you are. Harvard already has enough perfect profiles. They're looking for a voice, a perspective, a personality they can't forget. I've put together a list of successful Harvard essays that actually worked. Comment Harvard if you'd like a copy for reference. Prepare for the interview. It may not carry huge weight, but when everyone looks qualified on paper, a strong interview can tip the scale. If you are not sure how to prepare, book our Harvard alumni mock interview to practice and build confidence. So, can you get into Harvard? The short answer is yes, but it takes strategy, self-awareness, and years of preparation. For almost everyone, Harvard is a reach. But if you maximize your academics, build real impact, and tell an authentic story, you'll give yourself a fighting chance. If you want help building a Harvard-worthy application, feel free to DM me or book a free consultation. Good luck on your application journey.